Hi, how's it going? I hope you're having a great day. This is Ken Renner, America's home buying expert and guest host on HGTV's #1 show, House Hunters. Hey, I wanted to invite you to a very special presentation that I'm having this Saturday, June 23rd. It's actually at 11 o'clock and at 2 o'clock. It's two different presentations. The first one, of course, is my home buying crash course, where we've actually helped thousands of people into their home, and I'd just like to help you into the home if you haven't experienced it, or if you've already been in the class. So I want to invite you back, because there's a lot of things that we cover in the class, as you know, and it teaches you exactly what you need to do to be able to get into a house. And of course, everybody gets a copy of my Home Buying Secrets Revealed book, a best-selling book on how to purchase a home. We cover the reasons why you should be looking at purchasing a home, and the benefits, the investment benefits, tax benefits, but we also cover the 10 steps to the home buying process. For the first time, I'm also giving out to our clients my best-selling book called Power Goals. It's the 12 proven steps to make your dreams come true. This book I wrote several years ago, and in response to how I learned how to set and attain goals. I did not graduate from college. I started my career as a shopping cart pusher in the middle of a Carr's grocery store in Anchorage, Alaska. So when I learned the power of being able to set and achieve goals, that was what changed my life. And so I want to give this as a gift to you as well, and I think you'll find it very, very powerful. That's at 11 o'clock, we have the Home Buying Crash Course. At 2 o'clock, we have our Credit Restoration Workshop, our second annual Credit Restoration Workshop, where we bring in credit experts as well as myself, and also a lender as well, to coach you through how to get your credit to where it needs to be, not only to buy a car, but to buy a house, to give you a better chance at better employment. Everything falls on the credit scores these days. The problem is the credit scores can be wrong, or they can be there's misinformation on there, or there's information that just needs to be corrected to get those scores up. So we're experts at being able to get your scores up, and that's how I put myself on the map 25 years ago, was being able to help underserved people who have been rejected by the business community or the real estate community because they had relatively bad credit. We've done very well being able to help people get their credit score from 520 all the way up to 640 in less than 4 weeks. So I make a living by being able to help people get into homes, and if the credit is getting in the way, we want to help you fix that. So we'll also be giving away this best-selling book called Credit Secrets, and this is not a book I wrote, but it's a very, very thorough way for you to be able to take control of your own credit, be able to get your own credit restoration. Once again, we'll also have a credit expert there who, if you need to have a coach to guide you through the whole credit repair process, that's what we're here for. So once again, it's our second annual Credit Restoration Workshop. We won't be having another one probably for another 5-6 weeks, but I highly recommend that you come. This is not just for people with credit that's marginal. It's also for people who have good credit. I've got good credit, but I want to go from a 750 to an 800. So if you even have good credit, the stuff that you're going to learn in the Credit Restoration Workshop will also help you to be able to get your good credit even better. So it's going to be at 9200 Lake Point Drive. That's in the Lake Point subdivision in Temple, Texas, 76502. That's Lake Point, 9200 Lake Point Drive. And if you have any questions, you can reach me at my cell phone at 512-423-5626. Also, go to the URL www.homebuyingcrashcourse.com. That's homebuyingcrashcourse.com, and you'll be able to get the information not only on the home buying workshop, but also the credit restoration workshop that I think you're going to find super valuable. So I will see you at the Lake Point subdivision this Saturday, the 23rd, June 23rd, either at 11 or at 2 or at both. All right, I'll see you out at the class. Thanks. Have a great day.